Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to allow all Facebook notifications in email. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To allow all Facebook notifications in email, browse facebook.com and click on your profile icon on upper right corner. Click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. In left pane under preferences you will find notifications. Click on notifications and scroll down again. Here you will find email. Click on email. Now required notifications is selected. Only notifications about your account security and privacy and page you manage is selected, and here you will find the first option, all notifications except the one you turn off. Just select it. Now all Facebook notifications are allowed to send in email. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.